Good evening, friends. Today, I want to share a few thoughts about dental issues in pregnant women. Because recently, I saw a woman who is in ninth month and she is going to deliver in 15 to 20 days, but she has severe toothache problem, and she came to doctor because of severe pain. Doctor also could not prescribe any antibiotics because she is already in ninth month. It may have the antibiotic may have some side effect on the child within the womb. So doctor also hesitating. They they went back and they came 2 to 3 times because of severe pain. So they went to a dentist to get that tooth removed. Dentist asked for a scan and approval from the radiologist and the gynecologist. So they had to pay a lot of money for consultation fee, for scanning, all those things, and still they are hesitant to, because anesthesia also is to be given. It has to be given under approval from the gynecologist and radiologist. So dentist did not do the procedure. So many issues like this, so much of money, so much of pain. One particular night she went into low blood pressure, low BP because of pain. There her husband does in E-Seva, government E-Seva, but he is very busy in his day job, and in night when he came home, because of her condition, they are all very stressed. And definitely if she is having severe stress and going through these type of problems, it will have effect on the child also. Definitely there may be some complications generated, which will be much more difficult and tough job for the child and for the family to handle a child who is not matured enough as per their age. I think you might have seen some people, particularly in pregnant women, they should not be stressed in any form, or else it will have impact on the baby, and their mental growth or any disable problems may arise in the child. It will have long term so many issues, developmental issues. I have seen few people like that also. Eyes problem, mental maturity problem, walking problem, so many issues they may arise. So be careful. And as you are, when you are in early stages of pregnancy only, definitely get checked your tooth if there are any issues, because it will be better situation for any procedures like that. And we have in Vestige we have three types of paste: basic paste, regular paste, Ganoderma paste, and a stain remover paste. So you can choose normal paste or any paste based on your need. They are of good quality. And if you are new to my channel, you can consider subscribing my channel. I give a lot of health information related videos, and I visit doctors every day, RMPs, MBBS, MS, MD, like that. I go to hospitals, I visit diagnostics, I see patients and their problems. Where is the problem? What is the solution? I observe what are the medications they are taking, what are the procedures they are undergoing. So that's why I have a first-hand experience. I give some suggestions which are helpful for you, which can be avoided 90% with the help of our Vestige supplements. I give those suggestions which will be helpful. So my number will be in the description. You can join me in the Vestige business if you want to get health benefits, or if you want to be a part of this business. It's a wonderful business. Do it part time initially. Once you understand, if you are seeing growth, then you can shift to full time. As you are using these products, will definitely get health benefits, and so many tips what I observe I share in my videos. You can check my other videos related to Vestige and other health related tips. I'll give a lot of information, useful information, because I see firsthand hospitals and patients in their problems, all the so many things. When I find time, I have some information which I will share in other videos. I'm not finding time. So much information I have. I try to give more value in my videos. And regarding that toothache problem in pregnancy people, you can try homeopathy. Some people have I have seen, I met a few doctors, Ayurvedic and homeopathy doctors. They said they have some medicines in the homeopathy because internally we cannot give in pregnant women. So try check out homeopathy or Ayurvedic. And G32 is also prescribed for external application. One particular doctor gave that lady. It was not available in few hospitals, in medical stores. So try for that also. It may be helpful. So take care of your teeth. Our Vestige pastes are very high quality. The particles are very fine. They don't abrade your teeth. Even in old age people or children, the chemicals used in this paste are very safe. Even if they swallow also, nothing will happen. But that does not mean they should swallow. And many children are there who old age people are there because of having poor teeth. They are unable to find a proper nutrition and lose weight and health, and they die. I have seen many people like that. So take care of your teeth, definitely. Brush twice daily. Drink warm water regularly, and salt water gargles. Our Ganoderma paste is also a wonderful product. While you use the paste, you will get the benefits of Ganoderma. It will scan your body for any problems and clear all those problems on regular usage. It's a wonderful product. And for any stain problems, you can use the stain remover paste. Now you will be free of bad breath, chewing problem, gum problems, tooth decay, weakness of teeth. So many issues can be resolved from our paste, and you can get multiple benefits out of Vestige business. You join me in my Vestige business team. My number will be in the description. How to join, what are the benefits? It will be a lengthy video. I have discussed so many issues in different videos. You can check out my other videos. So just in brief, you will get health benefits and money benefits definitely when you use the Vestige products. It's a wonderful business. You do it part time. If you are able to do full time, if you don't have any other commitments, financial or any other commitments, you can work out full time, no issues. But this can be done, it has to be done by everyone, because artificial intelligence and machine learning are developing so fast, rapidly, that over the coming 5 to 10 years, your job may be in danger situation unless you have job security or financial security. Don't neglect my advice. Definitely there will be an impact on every field. Previously 1000 people made one car, now one robot is making 1000 cars. So thousands of people used to construct one building. Now 1 or 2 robots are constructing different 100 floor-ed, 5 floor-ed, 10 floor-ed, 30 floor-ed buildings. Rapid changes are coming. So do it part time. Anyone above 18 years can do. Housewives, any women are very successful in this business. Housewives, students, job, retired people, everyone should do. Even retired people, they don't have any activity, and they should definitely do this business, because they will have physical and mental activity in this business. They will be very energetic. I have seen many people like that. So I invite everyone to join this business. Even there are many doctors who are giving our Vestige supplements. They are of good quality. Definitely get the benefit of them. Even though if you have money, you can have to go through suffering when you go to a hospital or in a procedure, right? So you can avoid all those problems. 90% you can avoid. Then we have to take doctor suggestion and doctor treatment. How if the situation is out of hand, it is very rare. If you take all these precautions, definitely you can avoid so many issues. So that's it for this video. Wish you all the best. I wish you to join my team. My number will in the description, and share my videos, like and comment, share in the WhatsApp groups and social media groups, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Share to those people whom the video will be beneficial. So thank you, all the best.